Hey there folks, welcome back to our channel Tutoriologist. If you are new here, we are all about empowering creators like you with the tools and knowledge to elevate your content. Today, we are diving into a topic many of you have asked about, how to write a YouTube script using ChatGPT. If you are unfamiliar with the ChatGPT, it is an incredible AI language model developed by OpenAI that can help you draft scripts, blog posts, and much more. But why use ChatGPT for script writing? Well, it can save you time, generate ideas you might not have considered, and help you create a well-structured script, boosting audience engagement. Firstly, you need to access the ChatGPT interface. This could be on the OpenAI website or any approved third-party application. Once there, start a new conversation. Step number 2. Begin by typing a brief, succinct description of the video you want to create. The more specific you are, the better ChatGPT can assist. For instance, if I were scripting this video, I would start with create an informative yet engaging YouTube video script on how to use ChatGPT for YouTube script writing. Now here's the cool part. You need to press enter and ChatGPT will start generating content based on your instructions. Feel free to iterate on this process, adding more specific prompts or guiding the AI to the style or tone that you want. And voila! With a bit of guidance, ChatGPT will deliver a near complete script. Of course, it's not perfect every time. It might take a few tries and some edits to get your desired outcome. But remember, the goal here is to jumpstart your creative process and save you time. One more thing. While ChatGPT is a fantastic tool, remember to add your own personal touch to make your script unique and to your brand. Authenticity is the key in building a connection with your audience. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with fellow creators who might find it useful. Have you ever used ChatGPT for the script writing before? Share your experiences in the comment section below.